Hello children, how are you all? Today I am here with another exciting story. Story about trees. What do you get from trees? Yes, you can breathe. Without trees you cannot breathe, you cannot live. And what else do trees give us? You can get pencil. Without wood you cannot make pencils, scales, erasers, medicines, even tables, chairs, right? And it helps us to live our life. Without trees we cannot even imagine about living. So today we are going to learn about trees and one such special tree. Trees are all charitable. They just want to give us everything without asking anything in return. So that is what we are going to learn about Dani Ped. Dani Ped, that is the charitable tree which always wants to just donate freely. It doesn't even ask anything in return. So now we will go through the lesson. So let me explain to you this lesson. There was this tree. Let us call it Dani Ped. That means the charitable tree which always wants to give. So there was this boy. So this tree used to be so happy when the boy is around him. And the tree used to say, "Come my child, आओ बेटा, मेरी शाखा में झूलो, मेरे ऊपर चढ़ो, climb on me, swing on my branches and enjoy." So the boy also used to love this tree. Both were very happy. Then what happened? Then this boy went back, and after many days he came back, and again he said, the tree said, "आओ बेटा, आओ मेरे ऊपर चढ़ो, मेरी शाखा में झूलो." This is the shakha, the branches. शाखाओं में झूलो. The boy is a youth now. Now he said, नहीं, अब मेरे खेलने की उम्र नहीं है, पेड़ के ऊपर झूलने की उम्र नहीं है. That means now it is not my age to swing from the branches. I have grown big. But now I want some money because I want to buy some things which I like. So the tree said, "I don't have money to give to you, but one thing I have, you can take my fruits. You can pluck my fruits and you can go take it to the bazaar market and becho, to sell it, and then with the money you get you can buy whatever you want." So the boy, he agreed. He plucked some fruits and he took it to the market, and then what did he do? He bought whatever he wanted with that money. Still the tree was happy. Still the tree was happy. Now again the boy came after many days. Now he said, the tree said, "आओ बेटा, मेरी शाखा में झूलो, swing on my branches, मेरे ऊपर चढ़ो, मेरे तना is the trunk, तना के ऊपर चढ़ो और खेलो." So again this boy, he said, "I am a youth, I am big enough now, I am old enough. This is not my age to play around the tree. But now I have become big. I want to marry and have children. So I want to build a house for them. For that, can you help me?" So the tree said, "I don't have any house. This forest itself is my house. But you can take my branches, take these शाखाएं. शाखाएं लेके आप एक घर बना सकते हो. You can build a house with that." So the boy, this youth, what did he do? He took the shakha and built a house for himself. So now the boy again he went and he came back after many days. Now this time again, now he said, the tree again said, "आओ बेटा, अब मेरी शाखाएं तो नहीं है, मेरे तने के ऊपर चढ़ो. Now I don't have branches, you can climb on my trunk and play." Okay. So the youth again he said, "Now I am old and this is not my age to play. I want to go very far, 7 seas across, and I want to have a time there. So, can you give me a boat to go across the 7 seas? I am very sad. I want to just go far away. So, the tree said, okay beta, what you can do is you can cut my trunk and you can build a now with it, now boat. So, what did this boy do? He cut the trunk, he cut it. So, let me cut to show. For the boat, he cut it and now everything was lost. Now, the tree didn't have flowers or fruits or branches, it didn't have anything. Now, what was left is but a stump. Now the tree was not happy. Was it happy? Doesn't have anything. It was not happy. Then, after many days, what happened? This man again he came, but now he was an old man. Now he was quite old. So now he came and then he said, again this tree said, beta, now I don't have anything to give to you. But still he was happy, the tree was happy that the man came, but it's saying, I don't have anything to give to you. Now I am only a stump left. मैं बस एक ठूठ हूँ, ठूठ is stump. So, अब तुम ब्रांचेस भी नहीं है मेरे पास, शाखाएं भी नहीं है कि तुम उसमें झूलो और खेलो. So the old man cut short his what he was saying and he said, anyway I am too old, I don't need all these things. I just want a place to sit and to rest. So again the tree said, okay, एक काम करो, मैं ठूठ पे बैठ जाओ और आराम करो. Sit on my stump and you can rest. So the man again he sat on the stump and then the tree was happy again, though it didn't have anything, but since it received the man's love, again it was happy again. So that is the story in short. So let me show you the mind map and the meanings. So we have the mind map, Dani Ped, that is a charitable tree which has, every tree has patte, leaves, fool, flowers, phal, it gives us phal, fruits, then it has branches, that is शाखाएं, ये पेड़ के पास भी ये सब था, और तना, trunk. At last the trunk was also cut to make the boat. Then what was remaining was, after cutting all these things, what was remaining was toot, that is the stump. Let us go through the hard words. Umr, that is आयु or age. Fursat, खाली समय or your leisure time or free time. सुरक्षित, अच्छी तरह रक्षित, that means safe. We have फुसफुसाना, that is धीमी आवाज में बोलना, that is to whisper, talk in a very low voice. वास्तव में, असल में, that is in reality or actually. ठूंठ, बिना डाल पात का तना, so the trunk which doesn't have any leaves or any branches, or in English stump. Dani Ped, that is chapter 16, it is on page 119, that is the charitable tree. So पेड़ हमें क्या नहीं देते? फल, छांव, घर, नाव, जीवनदायिनी वायु, that means tree, पेड़. What does it not give us? It gives us fruit, छांव is shade, house, नाव is boat, जीवनदायिनी वायु, that is life giving air to breathe, और बदले में हमसे कुछ नहीं लेते, and doesn't take anything in return. पेड़ों के महत्व को उजागर करती यह कहानी हमें दूसरों की सहायता करने की सीख भी देती है. So this importance which highlights, the story highlights the importance of this tree, and it is the story about this tree or any other tree which always helps us. Sahayata is help, एंड इट ऑल्सो टीचेस अस टू हेल्प अदर्स। दूसरों की सहायता करने की सीख देती है। सीख इज टीचेस अस। लेट अस गो थ्रू दिस लेसन लाइन बाय लाइन। एक पेड़ था। देयर वॉज अ ट्री। वह एक छोटे लड़के को बहुत प्यार करता था। इट यूज टू लव ए स्मॉल बॉय वेरी मच। लड़का प्रतिदिन पेड़ के पास आता और उसके पत्ते इकट्ठे करता था। दिस बॉय यूज टू कम डेली टू दिस ट्री एंड कलेक्ट इट्स लीव्स। पत्ते इज लीव्स। पेड़ पर बहुत सुंदर फूल लगते थे। देयर यूज टू ग्रो लॉट ऑफ ब्यूटिफुल फ्लावर्स ऑन दिस ट्री। लड़का फूल इकट्ठे करके उनकी माला बनाता था। दिस बॉय यूज टू कलेक्ट दीज फ्लावर्स एंड मेक गार्लैंड्स आउट ऑफ इट। वह पेड़ के तने पर चढ़ता और उसकी डाल पर झूला झूलता। द बॉय यूज टू क्लाइंब ऑन इट्स ट्रंक एंड स्विंग ऑन इट्स ब्रांचेस। ब्रांचेस और उसकी डाल इज ब्रांचेस। वह पेड़ के फल खाता और उसके साथ लुका छिपी खेलता। ही यूज टू ईट इट्स फ्रूट्स एंड यूज टू प्ले हाइड एंड सीक। लुका छिपी इज हाइड एंड सीक विद द ट्री। जब थक जाता तो उसी की छाया में सो जाता। सो when the boy used to get tired after playing, he used to sleep under its shade. छाया is shade. लड़का भी पेड़ से बहुत प्यार करता था। The boy also used to love the tree very much. पेड़ बहुत खुश था। The tree was very happy. समय बीतता गया। Time passed by. लड़का बड़ा हो गया। The boy grew. अब पेड़ अपने आप को अकेला महसूस करने लगा। Now the boy started to feel lonely because the boy used to not come. एक दिन जब लड़का पेड़ के पास आया तो पेड़ ने कहा, One day, एक दिन, when the boy came near the tree said, बेटा आओ मेरे तने पर चढ़ो और मेरी डालों से झूलो। Son, climb on my trunk and swing from my branches. और मेरे फल खाओ, मेरी छाया में खेलो और खुश रहो। Eat my fruits, play under my shade and stay happy. खुश is happy. लड़के ने कहा, The boy said, अब मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ। Now I have grown big. अब मेरी उम्र पेड़ पर चढ़ने और खेलने की नहीं रह गई है। Now this is not my age to climb on trees and to play. मैं अब चीज़ें खरीद कर उनका आनंद उठाना चाहता हूँ। Now I want to buy things and enjoy them. चीज़ें is things. अब सब चीज़ों को खरीदने के लिए मुझे कुछ पैसे चाहिए। So he said, now I want some money to buy all these things. क्या तुम मुझे कुछ पैसे दे सकते हो? Can you give me some money? पेड़ ने कहा, The tree said, पैसे तो मेरे पास है नहीं। I don't have any money. मेरे पास केवल पत्ते और फल हैं। I only have leaves and fruits. मेरे फल तोड़ लो और इन्हें शहर में बेच देना। You can pluck my fruits and sell it in the city. शहर city. इससे तुम्हें पैसे मिल जाएंगे और तुम अपनी मन चाहिए वस्तुएं खरीद पाओगे। वस्तुएं, चीज़ें, these are all things. So he said, then with that, when you do like that, when you sell the fruits, you will get money and then you will be able to buy the things that you wish to. लड़का पेड़ पर चढ़ा। The boy climbed the tree. उसने फल तोड़कर इकट्ठे किए। He plucked the fruits and collected it. इकट्ठे is collected or gathered. पेड़ बहुत खुश था। The tree was very happy. लड़का वे फल बाजार ले गया। The boy took the fruits to the बाजार और मार्केट। फिर वह लड़का बहुत दिनों तक नहीं आया। पेड़ दुखी हुआ। Then that boy didn't come back for many days. The tree was sad. दुखी is sad. So the boy and the tree are talking to each other. एक दिन जब लड़का वापस आया तो पेड़ खुशी से हिलते हुए कहने लगा। One day when the boy returned, the tree swayed with joy. हिलते हुए swayed with joy and said, आओ मेरे तने पर चढ़ो, मेरी डाली से झूलो और खुश रहो. Come, climb on my trunk, swing from my branches and stay happy. लड़के ने कहा, अब मुझे पेड़ों पर चढ़ने की फुर्सत नहीं है. The boy said, Now I am too busy to climb trees. मैं युवा हो चुका हूँ. I am now a youth. युवा is youth. मुझे घर की ज़रूरत है जिसमें मैं सुरक्षित रह सकूं. Now I need a house in which I can live safely. मुझे अब पत्नी और बच्चे चाहिए और उनके लिए घर चाहिए. Now I want a wife and kids and I need a house for them. घर house. क्या तुम मुझे एक घर दे सकते हो? Can you give me a house? मेरे पास घर तो नहीं है, पेड़ ने कहा. The tree said, I don't have any house. यह जंगल ही मेरा घर है. This forest itself is my house. पर तुम चाहो तो मेरी शाखाएं काटकर उनसे घर बना लो. But if you want, you may cut my branches and construct a house with it. मुझे इससे प्रसन्नता होगी. This will make me happy. प्रसन्नता is happy. होगी I will be. तब लड़के ने पेड़ की शाखाएं काटी और उन्हें ले गया अपना घर बनाने. Then the boy cut. काटी is cut. The branches, that is शाखाएं, and he took them to build his house. इधर पेड़ अब भी खुश था. Here the tree was still happy. खुश is happy. कितने ही दिन बीत गए. Many days passed by. पेड़ प्रतिदिन लड़के की राह देखता. Every day the tree used to watch when the boy will come. जब वह आया तब पेड़ इतना खुश हुआ कि कुछ देर तक उससे बोलते ही नहीं बना. So when the boy finally came, the tree was so happy that he could not utter a word for some time. बोलना is to say or to utter a word. For some time he couldn't speak. आओ बेटा, पेड़ फुसफुसाया. The come child, the tree whispered. फुसफुसाना is whispering. बहुत दिनों में आए हो, आओ खेलो. You have come after many days. Come play. मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ और मेरी उम्र अब खेलने की नहीं रह गई है. I am very sad and now this is not my age when I can play. मुझे एक नाव चाहिए जो मुझे 7 समुद्र पार ले जाए. I want a boat which will take me across 7 seas. क्या आप मुझे एक बोट दे सकते हो? क्या आप मुझे एक नाव दे सकते हो? क्या तुम मुझे एक नाव दे सकते हो? दैट मीन्स कैन यू गिव मी ए बोट? युवक ने कहा. द यूथ सैड. मेरा तना काट कर तुम एक नाव बना लो, पेड़ ने उपाय सुझाया. कट माई ट्रंक एंड मेक अ बोट विद इट. द ट्री गेव द आइडिया. तब तुम समुद्र पार कर सकते हो और खुश रह सकते हो. देन यू कैन क्रॉस द सी एंड स्टे हैप्पी. समुद्र इज सी. तब लड़के ने पेड़ का तना काटा और उसकी नाव बनाकर समुद्र पार गया. Then the boy cut the trunk and made a boat out of it and crossed and went across the sea. पेड़ अब भी खुश था. The tree was still happy. Really? ना 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 ना. No no. वास्तव में पेड़ खुश नहीं था. Actually the tree was not happy. अब वह पेड़ नहीं, एक ठूंठ था. Now it was not a tree. It was a stump. That's all. बहुत सालों बाद लड़का फिर पेड़ के पास आया. After many years, साल is years. After many years, the boy again came to the tree. अब वह वृद्ध हो चुका था. Now he was old. An old man. He had grown old. क्षमा करना बेटा, अब मेरे पास तुम्हें देने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं बचा है. Forgive me, son. Shama is to forgive. Forgive me, son. Now I don't have anything left to offer you. अब तो मुझ पर कोई फल नहीं लगता. Now no fruit grows on me. पेड़ ने कहा. Said the tree. मेरे दांत इतने कमज़ोर हैं कि मैं उनसे फल चबा ही नहीं सकता. वृद्ध ने कहा. The old man replied, My teeth are so weak that I cannot chew fruits with it. मेरी शाखाएं भी अब नहीं रही जिन पर तुम झूल सको. Now both are conversing, the old man and the stump. So he said, I don't have any branches remaining on which you can swing, said the tree. मैं बहुत बूढ़ा हो गया हूँ इसलिए शाखाओं पर झूल नहीं सकता, उसने कहा. Now this is the old man saying, I am very old, so I cannot swing on the branches. मेरा तना भी पूरा नहीं रहा जिस पर तुम चढ़ सको, पेड़ ने कहा. My trunk is also incomplete, and so you cannot climb on it, said the tree. मैं बहुत थका हूँ. I am very tired. तने पर चढ़ने की ताकत मुझ में नहीं है, वृद्ध बोला. I don't have the strength to climb on tree trunks, said the old man. So, ताकत is strength. मैं तुम्हें कुछ देना चाहता था, परंतु अब मेरे पास कुछ भी शेष नहीं है. I wanted to give you something, the tree is telling, but now I don't have anything left. हाँ, बस यह कटा तना ही बचा है, मुझे क्षमा करना. Yes, only this cut trunk is remaining. Please forgive me. Shama is to forgive. So you can see this cut trunk. So only this much is remaining. The stump is remaining. Everything else he has given to this man. Since his childhood, he has given one by one. First he gave fruits, then he gave the branches, then he gave the trunk to make the boat, and now what is remaining is this stump. Still he wants to give something to this man and make him happy. That is the charitable quality of a tree. So, मुझे अब ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ चाहिए भी, मुझे अब ज़्यादा कुछ चाहिए भी नहीं, वृद्ध बात काट कर बोला. Even now I don't want anything much, the old man said, interrupting the tree. केवल एक शांत जगह चाहिए बैठने और सुस्ताने के लिए. I only want a peaceful place to sit and to take rest or to just take a nap. मैं बहुत थका हुआ हूँ. I am very tired. पेड़ ने कहा, आओ बेटा, मुझ ठूठ पर बैठो और आराम करो. The tree said, Come son, sit on my stump and take rest. वृद्ध उस ठूंठ पर बैठ गया. Now the वृद्ध, the old man, इस ठूंठ पर he sat, बैठ गया, he sat. पेड़ अब फिर प्रसन्न था. So now the tree was again happy, prasanna. So we see, children, how the tree, he has offered his everything to this man. So we see, children, that trees always keep on giving us something or the other. So what did we learn from this lesson? That we should not cut trees, but instead we should plant more trees. And we also learned this lesson that we should also give others without expecting anything in return. Giving makes us happy, and it makes others happy too. Just like the tree, at the end also again it was happy because it could be of some use to the old man. So, bye for now. Take care and stay safe.